How you doing? Thanks for watching. This is George here with more strobe lights for trucks at Wicked Warnings, your #1 source for LED emergency lights and LED strobe warning light kits. What we have here is a 2019 F250 for a local Audi dealership. This is going to be their maintenance and snowplow truck for their Audi dealer. On the top, we've got the Akari drill-free mount in aluminum. And mounted to that is our Whelen Sentry 23-inch permanent mount light bar. We're also featuring our Wicked Warnings TIR3s as well as our HAW Duo. The TIR3s are mounted in a new spot because this truck does not have fog lights. So we tried a new location right there by the lip of the fender in between the bumper and the fender. Turned out very well. We're going to be using that more in the future. We also have the TIR3 mounted on the side of the taillight in the rear. We chose to alternate the front to the back on the TIR3s. We've synchronized the whole truck to alternate as well. If you notice, the front TIR3s are alternating left and right, and they are also alternating on the driver's side, front to back. And the white LED HAW Duo in the reverse light is also alternating in an X pattern with the TIR3s on the rear of the truck. This allows a lot of light movement. We've also used our ThinX TIR series on the side badge. And I'll spin the camera here and show you more. Here you can see a little bit better. We chose the 3x3 alternating pattern on the all amber ThinX in the TIR series for the badges. And you can see those TIR3s under the taillight and in the fender lip there. Back here you can see we chose white alternating in the reverse, and we put the TIR3s down there. You can also see that Whelen Mini Sentry up top of the Akari drill-free mount. Here's a shot with the lights bright so you can see the mount on the roof. I'll back it up here and show you the front of it too with the lights off so you can actually see what's going on. And here is the front. So if you like this little plow truck package and you want to make your truck exactly the same, check the video description for links to every one of these products. Check it also for a link to buy this entire kit, everything you need. It is all controlled off the factory upfitter switches. You can control the pattern on the light bar on the roof. You can control all the different strobe lights, whether they be on one switch or many, your choice. So make sure you check out the links in the description. Hit that like and subscribe button. Stay tuned for more videos. Thanks again for watching Wicked Warnings.